everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Dynavox X-6031 RCA cable, specifically the 10-meter black version. This cable is designed for transmitting digital signals, making it suitable for both audio and video applications. It's presented as a high-quality option, built to be flexible and durable for various setups. One of the first things you notice is its substantial length, a full 10 meters. This provides a lot of flexibility for routing cables around a room or vehicle, reaching components that are far apart without needing extensions. The cable itself has a diameter of 6 millimeters, contributing to its robust feel while still being described as ultra-flexible, which is a great combination for installation ease. The connectors are standard RCA plugs, color-coded red and white, which is typical for stereo audio or composite video connections. A key feature highlighted is the 24K gold plating on these connectors. Gold plating helps resist corrosion and ensures a good, stable connection over time, which is crucial for maintaining signal integrity, especially over a longer run like 10 meters. Internally, the cable boasts a very high-purity copper conductor, specified at 99.999997%. This level of purity is intended to minimize signal loss and distortion, ensuring that the audio or video signal transmitted is as clean as possible from one end to the other. The cable is explicitly designed for digital signals, suggesting it's engineered to handle the specific requirements of modern digital audio and video formats. Although RCA is often associated with analog signals, the description implies it's built with high enough quality for demanding digital applications where RCA might be used with adapters or specific equipment. Its versatility is another strong point. The product information states it's suitable for home use, whether connecting components in a home theater system or a stereo setup, and also for car audio or video installations. The flexibility and length make it practical for routing through vehicle interiors. The cable comes supplied in blister packaging, which is standard for retail presentation. Overall, the Dynavox X-6031 appears to be a well-specified cable, focusing on quality materials like high-purity copper and gold-plated connectors, combined with practical features like its 10-meter length and flexibility, aiming to provide a reliable connection for various audio and video needs in both home and car environments. It positions itself as a high-quality solution for those needing a long, dependable RCA link.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.